Well, they did that with that body because they changed to this hard body.
I wish I wouldn't have tore up my Atlas. Not that they discontinued.
Broke?
No, it's just all tore to pieces for parts for other stuff. Crawl's pretty good. It's like set up for. I think it's got like a brake. I don't think it's set up for a crawler. Yeah.
It does.
Definitely got some clearance with the portals.
What do you think about tires?
They're not horrible so far.
Yeah.
They better than stock tires on a FCX24.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
I know they feel soft.
Stock tires on FCX24 aren't about anything if you ask me. The ones on the Gladiator were decent, but that's the only one.
What do we keep stocking?
Yeah. But no, these tires, they're not horrible.
Yeah, I tested for a second. I didn't look like that.
This rock's real slick. And you'll know right here if they slip right here. Like, that's where they seem like they're doing good in most tires. But it's definitely got clearance like get over the rocks.
The low end torque is pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, it's definitely good. And the tires aren't bad. Portals give it all kind of clearance. The big tires give it all kind of clearance. And right there, I'm just wrapping around the rock that axle.
My other one. Not bad.
The servo's real good.
That's what everybody was saying.
Tough spot now. The servo's great. This is a tough spot right here for most rigs. Built rigs, so I think it's doing damn good for stock.
The reverse is a little touching on it.
It's because you got to get past that brake. Something broke.
What was it?
Drive shaft.
Nah, it popped right out.
Popped right off.
So the front drive shaft pops out on this thing. Well, it did for us anyway. Alright, back roll fixed it. I'll show you when I get home what it was. It's not anything too bad.
But the low speed control is definitely
Is there?
It's better than a V1 ESC on the axial, you know. The LBC.
Oh. What would you think so far?
Maybe just
I'm gonna fix it at what's called.
it's a good crawler. It's just not a good up and down. Might have been. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, we were just bound up hard right there.
I'm still fixing
It might not have been installed properly, you know, like from the factory. Because that first time I redid it, I think I did what they did the first time. You know, like it wasn't all the way in. You know, right there, dude. That's good. That's good crawl. Definitely got clearance. A little softer springs. With the weight of the body down somehow. Either.
I think I'm gonna take like Fox 888 did. Take the flares off.
Yeah, that and maybe all that internal structure too. Just leave just straight the body. Get it down lower, a little bit lower maybe. I think it'd be pretty good.
This work on there.
You probably can make it work.
If I had one.
There, yeah, that's the problem. I think Mad's got some.
He had.
Oh, he ain't got no more.
RC boy got the last one from my day. Or you minimize one of the two. Yeah, I think it's easy to keep it.
No, I definitely keep it.
Yeah.
It ain't like that TF24.
Oh man.
No, that's just
junk.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah.
It ain't like, oh, it did it again. Drive shaft.
Alright guys, as you saw, we had a few problems. First of all, I want to say thank you, Justin. That's Backroad RC. A bunch of you guys know him as Backroad RC for driving the FCX24 so I can get some footage. So you guys saw on 2 different occasions we had a problem with the drive shaft popping out. Now, I hadn't seen anybody else have that particular problem, but that is the issue that I had, or Justin had in that case, because he was the one driving. But all in all, this little thing was really nice. I'm really shocked at the way it performs. Now, I will say, from my experience, the downhilling was pretty bad. But of course, I'm sure that's due to the shortness of the chassis and also all the weight being up front and the very high center of gravity. But that's nothing that we can't fix. I didn't expect to get this thing out of the box, and it performed like a comp vehicle just because, I mean, what fun is that? We always want to get something and do a little tuning on it. I'm sold on it so far, guys. I do want to change the shocks out to something to sit a little bit lower, and I may just cut these. I talked to a couple people. I think Dirk Psycho 13, if I'm not mistaken, I think he may have cut his. And I even not opposed to using it as a dragger. But I don't know if I'm going to do that just yet. I got some wheels on the way, and you guys make sure you stay tuned because this thing is going to get a paint job pretty soon. Wanted to get it done earlier this week, but I just hadn't had time, guys. But yeah, all in all, this thing is nice. The only thing that I really dislike is the way the body mount. We're going to do something different with this body. We're going to probably magnet mount it, I'm pretty sure. But other than that, that was pretty much it. We definitely need some weight at the rear. I got some more parts coming though, guys. That's going to change this reel, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. This, I'm going to contact FMS about this as well. This particular one, I don't know if it's an issue with, I don't know, it's kind of hard to say. It's not really flimsy or anything like that, but once you get it on there, it just kind of get in just the slightest little bind. As you guys saw from the first time, it got in, I won't even call it a bind. That thing just popped right off. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to remedy this for the time being. It's probably not going to completely fix it, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do for it as of right now. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a quick trick. This is something I learned years ago. This is just something temporary, so we're going to go ahead and fix this with a piece of heat shrink tubing, a heat gun, and I'm going to use this 1.5. Just going to take these screws out to the links. I'm going to get that out like so. First we're going to slide the heat shrink on. Then we're going to put it on. And we're going to get these little ends lined up again. These could be kind of tricky, guys, so just be patient. That only took about 3 minutes. So what's happening is once a lot of torque hit this thing, not even a lot, it's just popping off because I don't know if this thing is just not good and tight. But the way we're going to fix this is we're going to slide this here. This may not be the best, but this is an option that we have as of now, so we can get some more parts. And hopefully once this tightens down, this will keep that from popping off there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these screws to the links, lower links, reconnected. So it doesn't take much heat at all to get this thing to shrink. We're gonna roll it around. Put a little bit more heat on it. So you'll notice that this just kind of forms to that part. So hopefully in doing that, what's happening is you're tightening down the little ears right here, and it won't have the ability to pop back out. All right, guys, make sure you stay tuned. And if you're not sub, go ahead and hit that sub button. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button for me. We got a whole bunch more content coming for this thing. This seems like it's going to be a pretty popular chassis. And I'm excited about it. So stay tuned, guys. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.